Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to be unboxing my very first shipment from Yume Twins. It's a kawaii discovery box. Yume is the Japanese word for dream. So it should be lots of dreamy things. And let's see what's in the box. So this wasn't sent to me, unfortunately. I bought it with my own money because I'm just a lowly girl here on YouTube. But so I don't have a discount code or anything, but there are YouTubers who get these sent to them and they have discount codes. So if you're here looking for a discount code, sorry about that. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. I haven't looked at any other video, any videos or anything to see what's in here, pictures, nothing. So it's totally new to me. All right, so Twinkling Transformation, November 2018, volume 30. This is the booklet that it comes with. There's the back. And I haven't even looked at it yet. I think there's pictures of what's in here, so I'm not gonna look at it. All right, first thing is a plush toy. Oh my goodness. It's looks like an old English bulldog, whatever. Oh my God, and he's dressed in a, I'll show you him close up first. This is all in Japanese, so I don't know like the brand or anything, but he's in a dinosaur costume. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get this on his head. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Aww. So this is the kind of thing that I probably won't keep this for myself, so I'll either gift it to a relative, friend or relative, or I think I'm going to start an eBay shop for things, because I signed up for like 4 different discovery boxes, soon to be 5. So I'm going to start an eBay store for things that I don't want to keep for myself or gift or whatever. All right, so another plush thing. A sheep cleaner. Oh, I think this is like a duster that looks like a sheep. Oh, here's the package. Bamboo charcoal. Oh, look at this cutie patootie. And there's a little thing there. Oh. Oh, that's so cute. Probably, I don't know if I'll use this. I have to think about that. I do need to dust a lot, but I don't want to use something so cute to dust with. Okay, Sailor Moon cleaner. Oh my gosh, another like dust thing. Like this looks like a lens wipe thing. That's pretty cool. I wonder if I can do a real close-up on the skirt. That's really pretty. So another thing that's I'll probably, oh yeah, Sailor Jupiter. Yep, I will use this because I wear glasses and what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I wear glasses and I do need lens cleaners from time to time. Or, you know, you could use it like for your phone and stuff like that, your screen. Oh, this is so cute. 25th anniversary. Oh, I like that. Is this all gonna be cleaning stuff? Oh, and then is this Sumiko Garashi, or I don't know what these characters are. They're Sanex characters. Take it out of the thing. They're like clothespins. Oh, those are cute. Oh, Sonny, where you going? He's gonna go bark at cars. So I apologize in advance for the barking. Alright, so I don't know, I could probably use those for something. What else? Mochi Panda. Dreamy Provision. Mochi Pan and Penguin. Or Mochi Pan. And this is iridescent. Oh my goodness. So let's see. It's stationary. This is the inside. That's super cute. Let's see. So there's that image, and then there's this image. So that's cute. I'll probably keep this. I have cards right now. I write, whenever people order from my Etsy shop, I write them a card. But at some point I'm going to run out, so this might be a cute thing to have to write a little thank you note on. So I like that. Oh my goodness, My Melody sequin bag. My Melody Kuromi. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. Wow. Oh, I love this. That's awesome. So it opens. Oh, there's like a little piece of foam inside, but there's a pocket. What do you put in here? Like your... Oh, you could put your phone if you have a big phone. I might be getting a big phone, hopefully. Oh, no way. And the sequins are reversible. Oh, maybe Kuromi's on the other side. Okay, so this is the tag. Oh my goodness, I could maybe put that on a case. So cute. Oh, My Melody and Kuromi. And Kuromi's showing her butt. Let's see. Oh, I'm afraid to do it. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. All right. Let's get all the sequins going the right way. Oh my goodness, that's not easy. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. This is what's on the other side. She's like, look at my butt. Oh, you're so mischievous. I love this. Oh, I didn't show you the back. It's pink canvas. It's lined with polyester, I think it is. So that's wicked cool. All right, I like this box. I'm going to continue getting it. Kawaii monthly box from Japan with love. Oh, I didn't show you that. Oh, that's cute. So before I did this video, I should have really researched how much this box is per month so I could kind of tell you about it, but unfortunately I didn't. Maybe I'll put the price here. I'll look it up before I edit this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me a little bit. So I have more unboxings to come. Like I said, I signed up for, well, 2 monthly boxes, and 2 quarterly boxes, but I think I'm about to sign up for another quarterly box. I'm not sure. It's Loot Crate with Sanrio, so I'm not sure how often that comes, but I definitely want the soon to be coming box that they're going to put out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.